Welcome to Historic Aerials. Today I'm going to show you the Measure tool available for free to use within our image viewer. A fantastic tool with real-life applications, the measurement tool is a fan favorite of the metal detector community. Let's get into how it works. Inside of the viewer, I found a feature that I would like to measure. Because the entire catalog at Historic Aerials is orthorectified, I know that these measurements are accurate, even though this building doesn't exist anymore. Today I'm looking at an aerial image of the Balboa Park Electric Building that was taken just before it burned down in 1978. When I click on the Measure tab, a secondary menu pops up and gives me the option to create a new measurement. Once I click to create a new measurement, my cursor becomes a measuring tool. Anywhere I click will become a measuring point. If I click all the way around the building, I can see the area it takes up as well as its dimensions. The Measure tool also shows the exact coordinates of the last measuring point I set. That means I can see the total distance, area, and exact location of any feature from the past. Once I've selected the area, I click Finish to see the calculations on my screen. From here, I can create a new measurement without losing the one I did before. When I'm done adding new measurements, I click the small X at the top of the pop-up menu and return the viewer to standard mode, where I can center on or delete my measurement as needed. Whether you're measuring buildings or hunting for buried treasure, Historic Aerials has the tools for you.